Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel, where we turn your purchasing dilemmas into delightful decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, with a showdown between two titans from FLASHFORGE. On my left, we have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, and on my right, we have, wait for it, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Sounds confusing? Well, stick around because we're going to unravel this mystery faster than a 600 millimeters per second print speed. Let's kick things off with the price. On the left, we have the Adventurer 5M, priced at a cool $479. On the right, its doppelganger comes in at $399. That's an $80 difference. For $80, you could buy, well, not much these days. Maybe a couple of nice filaments? Or a pizza party for one. Anyway, if you're on a budget, the right side's already winning your heart. Next up, ease of use. Both printers boast one-click automatic printing. The left one promises to save you from the torture of manual bed leveling, ensuring consistent adhesion every time. The right one says the same, but adds a little extra flair by calibrating the bed properly for a perfect first layer. Reviewers love how user-friendly both models are, but especially appreciate the right one's precise calibration. It's like comparing two chefs who both make perfect omelets, but one adds a dash of pizzazz. Now, let's talk speed and quality. Both printers are equipped with Core XY structures and can hit speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second. The left one supports mobile app control with FlashMaker, making you feel like a 3D printing wizard. The right one, however, boasts a mind-boggling acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per square second. That's faster than your cat knocking over your precious prints, and it claims to go from 0 to 600 millimeters per second in just 0.025 seconds. Yeah, I timed it. Totally not a lie. Reviewers particularly praise the right model for its incredible speed and accuracy. Both printers have nozzles that heat up to 200 degrees Celsius in 35 seconds. The left one offers a high-flow 32 cubic millimeters per second nozzle for stable, high-speed printing and lets you swap nozzles in 3 seconds flat. The right one matches the nozzle flow, but throws in vibration compensation to eliminate ghosting. It's like comparing two sprinters, one with fancy shoes and the other with anti-gravity boots. Reviewers love the high-flow nozzle of the left model, but are blown away by the right model's ghosting-free prints. Versatility is key. The left one has dual-fan nozzles, multiple nozzle sizes, and a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder for various materials. The right one, with its open design, supports PLA, PETG, TPU, and even carbon fiber variants. It's like choosing between a Swiss Army knife and a lightsaber. Both are cool, but one makes you feel like a Jedi. Reviewers appreciate the versatility of both models, but the right one's ability to handle tougher materials stands out. Lastly, after-sales support. The left one offers 1 month free return and exchange, lifetime technical support, a 1-year warranty, and a 12-hour response service. The right one, well, it doesn't say much about support, but it's a robust design. So if you like living on the edge, you know where to go. Reviewers especially appreciate the excellent customer support for the left model, which can be a deciding factor for many buyers. Reviewers find the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M series to be user-friendly, versatile, and reliable. The left model is praised for its high-flow nozzle and excellent customer support, while the right model is lauded for its incredible speed, accuracy, and ability to handle various materials. So there you have it, folks. Both versions of the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M offer incredible features, but it all boils down to what you value more: a slightly lower price or some extra bells and whistles. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to make sure you don't end up with buyer's remorse. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which printer you'd choose and why. Until next time, stay smart and keep printing. Product links are in the description.